This is GO Transit Montreal, and this is April the 25th, 2020, and we got some railway action here at Beaurepaire. This is the AMT or EXO commuter train headed into town, eastbound, just finishing its station stop. Probably nobody on it. Everybody is still practicing the social distancing, myself included. So we have an F59PH, still says AMT on it. Very cool. And of course, the rest of these bi-level cars have had the AMT wiped off, and they haven't put anything new on it. Well, there it goes into the distance. Yeah, as you can see here, I'm on the Hydro Trail, just to the east of the Beaurepaire crossing. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you like what I do, please subscribe to GO Transit Montreal. Have a good day.